Today I'm making chawanmushi in a microwave. I used ready-to-eat shrimp. Top with one shrimp after cooking for a nicer look. Slice the chicken breast thin at an angle. Season with sake and soy sauce. Cut shiitake diagonally for more flavor. Pour the cold dashi stock into the beaten egg. Drain the egg mixture. Season with mirin, soy sauce, and salt. If using dashi powder, use 1/2 teaspoon. Pour the egg mixture over chicken, imitation crab, shiitake, and shrimp in the bowls. Enjoy the delicate harmony of dashi and egg. Rub and poke holes with a skewer. Microwave time depends on the temperature of the dashi, so check after 4 minutes to see if it has set.